Changing your legal name on Darktrace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly in the system. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Darktrace account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the Profile menu or dashboard, where you can manage personal information. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide documentation. You may be required to upload legal documentation that verifies your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary files. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your new name and any required documentation, review your changes for accuracy. Confirm the update, and you should receive a notification once your name has been officially changed in the system. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Darktrace will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.